How's everybody doing? Well, I just wanted to have one more little talk with y'all. And that is because in my last video, I did an unboxing just because I had something come to the door, right? And it was my, it was a little spring Coach, a small bag from Coach Outlet. Because it was from the outlet, I guess I shouldn't have expected it to be a just blow away unboxing experience. But here's what I also didn't expect. I guess I forgot I had a gift with purchase coming with my Hammett bag. And so I had this other bag and I didn't recognize the address and I was like, I'm not sure where that's coming from. The unboxing experience for my gift with purchase clear makeup pouch was as nice as any fine handbag. Now, it doesn't have to be. But what does that tell you about the brand? It's sort of one of those things that I can't even explain the importance of. It's sort of like a good customer experience when you go somewhere and they just treat you different. They treat you with kindness and honor and trying to make it a special experience. I value places like that, and that's what Hammett is. Y'all, I am sold. Like, I feel like I should go be looking for another handbag. It's like, Beth, let me say something. Y'all who know me know that if I have a addiction to something, it's handbags. I'm not that way about shoes. I'm not that way about clothing, even though, you know, I have a monthly subscription to Stitch Fix, and I do show y'all the outfits. I think I'm actually fixing to curb that because I'm just getting enough clothes. But I did need to change over some stuff, like this came from there. I did need to change over some stuff just because, actually I think this came from Walmart. Anyway, and things like that. You can find all kinds of little treasures. They don't have to be really expensive. So I don't mean to imply that. But sometimes you just get this really great experience that you can't shut up about. And that's where I'm at. I cannot shut up about this, and I'll tell you why. This isn't even a colorway I would have chosen, and I think I'm going to have to go get me, probably not in black, because I have black bags, but and I only have one other black bag I can think of that has gold trim, like my Hammett. And actually, it's not the same. It's a Coach bag. It was the Buffalo imprint skin, special edition, and it's got the shiny hardware. This is a brushed gold hardware, okay? For those of you who haven't seen my unboxing, I'll link it below if you'd like to. The leather on this is second to none, and I have a lot of really high-end, nice handbags from every brand you could probably name, except Gucci, because I gave my Gucci to my daughter-in-law. I mean, pretty much Hermes, Chanel, Dior, and the really high-end ones, Valentino. They're good leathers. They're strong leathers. They are not supple as this. I think Charter Club is the closest I can remember coming to leather this supple. And I had a girlfriend who just fell in love with my Charter Club bag, and I did let her have it, and it was supple like this. I do remember that. But I mean, is this my reward? I don't know. I feel like this is such a nice leather. I can't stop touching it. And I do love this brushed gold. Even though y'all know that I mix silver and gold in my jewelry. Like, this is Pandora bracelets and a diamond bracelet. This is a diamond bracelet and gold and my wedding set. Because remember, I had to switch it to this hand because of my finger. And that's what we used to call in the day a cocktail. Look at my little bent pinky. That's not arthritis. That is a genetic thing. Me and my daddy both have bent pinkies. And my mom and sister don't. And my grandmother does. In other words, if you put my two pinkies together, it'll make a Y. But anyway, it's a cocktail ring. That's what they used to call those. You only went them when you went out for cocktails. Back in the day, whatever. I got it just because I thought it was pretty. And I had an insurance claim. But anyway, I don't even remember what I was fixing to say. That is how taken back I am with this bag. I love it. And just like I mix my jewelry, I'm going to mix the fact that that's gold. And this has the gunmetal hardware on it. And I'm going to make this more pouchy of a bag because I do have the organizer in it. But I could just use pouches in this. This is definitely going to be the pouch I use now. No kidding. You could almost use this as a little date night bag. and just put pretty things in it, like your cell phone and car keys. And then I've got my little Chanel, I'll just show you. Well, I've got my little Chanel card case, if I wanted to take that. But then I also have my Hammett wallet in here, which I also fell in love with. Where is it? Did I take it out? Did I take it out? What did I do with my... Oh, there it is. It's in the side pocket, sorry, of the organizer. So there it is. It would fit fine in there, actually. And it would show, look, it would have the gold next to the... I think that'd be fine. But for a date night, I probably wouldn't take my whole wallet. I'd probably just take my little card case. And I also have a little Chanel... where is it, y'all? My little... there it is. Compact. I always think you should have a compact when you have on date night, because you need a mirror. And this also has blush tone in it. So that'd be kind of pretty sitting in there. And then my lipstick, which is also my favorite. My Chanel lipstick, y'all know, soft rose. Even though I'd probably choose my red one on a date night. So I have both soft rose and strawberry red. So I love these two. They're my go-to. They're what I keep in my purse at all times, and I obey these Girl Scout laws. Okay, so, and usually I will keep my little face spray from Chanel, just if I ever feel hot or need to set my makeup or just feel sleepy or whatever, I always keep that. So that'd be kind of pretty in there too. And my cell phone and car keys. If I didn't give my car keys to my husband, because he'll be driving if it's date night. But I mean, you could use it that way. That's how cool this is. What I wanted to refilm for has nothing to do with that. I opened the little card that came with this. It's just a gift with purchase, and yet it's that nice, and the unboxing experience was as nice. Here's the little card that came in it. Hammett, Los Angeles. Treat me right. Tells you how to take care of stuff. These are your rules for taking care of your handbag. Avoid contact with liquid, grease, toddlers holding popsicles, perfumes, makeup products, and your wine-loving friend who's had one too many. If you should happen to find yourself in the crosshairs of a water balloon fight, your beloved Hammett gets water on himself. Do not wipe the leather. Rather dab it gently with neutral colored cloth to absorb the moisture. He will thank you later. By the way, it's not a he, it's a she bag, so she will thank you later. Our fair-skinned friends are sensitive to light, dust, and stains, so be very careful that she never crosses paths with his evil ex, Denim. It's very possible she will never be the same again, and it's not us, it's you, Denim. Obviously, we know that denim can cross color because it's a dye. The color is dye, and it can get on your light-colored handbag, so it's a warning on that. Avoid using products meant to use for other uses on your leather. We find even when basking in the bright California sun, your Hammett does not enjoy shoe polish, turpentine, oil, alcohol, or other solvents as sunscreen. I just think it's cute the way they wrote this. This Hammett and every other is protected with a lifetime warranty while we work hard to make every bag strong and sexy. Hiccups happen. Y'all, I cannot tell you. And then there's a We Care at Hammett, and there's a phone number. If I have any questions or I want to call anybody, who does that? I mean, even when I go to people's websites, you can't find a phone number anymore. There's like a chat room you can go to or an email only, but no phone number. It's hard to get in touch with them. I just love this brand. And just so you know, I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I think in the comments below, the founder did make a comment. And my SA, I think they're called SA. It stands for Sales Associate. Angel, he did comment too because he thought that the last video, the unboxing video, was so funny and sweet, I guess. But they're the real stars. The service has been impeccable. The products have been second to none. I mean, y'all, this rivals my Chanel. That's worth probably, what's that Chanel probably worth? I saw it on Rebag for $8,400. I was going to sell it for $5 now, and then I thought $55, $57, and then I thought, no, I'm going to get what I should get for that bag. This quality. And the fact to me that this is a classic rivals it. I would not give up this bag. I will not let you have it, even if you say you love it. And usually if somebody tells me they love something, I just feel like I need to let them have it. Because if they love a thing, you should never love a thing. I'm really loving it. I like it a lot. I'll put it that way. I really like this a lot. That's what I say. But I just had to read that little card that came with this. I'm going to keep it in there. Whenever I get a bag, y'all know I always keep the original receipt, the original, if there's any kind of serial paperwork or card or, you know, authentication card or, you know, any of that kind of stuff, I always keep it in the zip pocket of the bag that it came with. This is a makeup pouch. It was a gift, and it's nice as I would pay for it. And I'm going to even keep that little card. That's how nice this is. I cannot wait to go figure out how I want to use this. And I can't believe that this little plastic makeup pouch also has their leather wrist strap and zipper pull. And the zipper is as nice as the handbag. It is a smooth, you know how some zippers just catch? Look. It's just a good, and it's that gunmetal hardware, so I like that too. I think what's going to have to happen, is I'm going to have to get another one in a light color and call it a day. What do y'all think? I don't know. I think I am. And I promise y'all, nobody's paying me to say this. I got a little tag in there I'm trying to get out. There. Let's see. Okay, this little bag was made in China. Or maybe the plastic is. It's like a vinyl plastic. I can't wait to put. And it's perfect for makeup, because if makeup spills, first of all, you can see everything good in there. But also, if it spills, this plastic's not going to get on your bag. It's going in the bag. All right, I just had to share that little funny card with y'all. I'll talk to y'all again, and I would invest in even a small piece if I were y'all, because it's worth